Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure prerequisites are done: device compatibility, an active passcode, and a clean sensor. Now open Settings and tap Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. This authorizes changes. Once you're in, choose Add a fingerprint or the option shown. Make sure your finger placement covers center and edges of the sensor briefly, lift, and rest repeatedly. This gets the registration started quickly, so you capture multiple angles of your print for reliable future unlock. You'll now follow the on-screen prompts to register your fingerprint. Place the finger gently, then lift when asked. Do this repeatedly so the system records different parts of the pad. Once done with center scans, shift to the edges and sides. This improves reliability when you hold the phone at odd angles. If progress stalls, change pressure or angle slightly and try again. Do not press too hard. When the visual ring completes, the device confirms a successful capture and may ask for an alternate finger. Finish by toggling which features use Touch ID, iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and app purchases, so your fingerprint works where you want it. Test Unlock immediately. If it's inconsistent, add a second fingerprint for your dominant grip or thumb. Once done, make sure the passcode backup is memorized. If Touch ID fails repeatedly, clean the sensor and finger, delete the fingerprint and repeat registration, or restart the device. These steps fix most recognition issues quickly, so you get reliable, fast access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.